for us. We still have some ice cream cup that's so nice here. But this one, I purposely bought it because of my kids. So cute. Look at that. Look at that cuteness. Look at that. So cute. So nice. Here are my dry ingredients, which is, this is the flour. This is 1 cup. This is the 1 cup. Okay. This is 1/2 cup. And here's my sugar. Here's my nutmeg. I'm using 1.5 half spoon of nutmeg powder. Using half spoon of baking powder. This is half spoon. And I'm using half spoon of baking soda. Send it. So here we go here with the liquid dough, which is a egg, a third egg. So I use 3 eggs in my oil, vegetable oil. And I'm going to be using some vanilla extract for some flavor. 3/4 of a teaspoon. And I need more flavor. For taste, all this one are not necessary optional. I just want it creamy and lovely. Back with my dry ingredients. So this is my grated carrots. I've only this carrot cake. The mix. So here are my nuts. So I'll use some nuts on it.